This episode is on technical analysis about I'm used to it for 25 years with traditional assets. This is actually about digital assets, but as they all call it, I'm part of them, hodling, it's actually holding an allocation, but with technical analysis, we can actually trade around that main allocation. So instead of being 100%, I don't want to say balls, but instead of being in 100%, you can be in, and then when it gets a little frothy, you take some profits off the table, you put it into some type of tether, stable coin, whatever, pick your poison.
Profits is good.
And then you have that ready, so every time when there's a correction, you're cool with it. You don't give what do we call it?
Give no trucks. We give no trucks.
Sounds good. Give no trucks position, but I use that.
That's why I'm wearing my trucker hat, bro. I give no trucks.
All right, whatever. So give no trucks, F's, whatever position. It's basically trading around your main allocation. So if it goes up, we're happy. If it goes down, we're happy. It's emotionally taking yourself out of the position and basically using human psychology to profit from it. So, and we use this in our blue chips that we talked about, our projects. So we use this. And so when prices go down, we're happy. Prices go up, we're happy.
Yep.
We're always happy. We give no F's or trucks or whatever.
I like being happy. Do you like being happy,
JT? I love being happy.
JT loves being happy.
Yep.
So let me dumb that down a little bit for everybody. You make profits. You take some profits on the way up. Okay, and then use those profits on the sideline to buy the dip or on the big corrections.
And the key point is to get the meat in the middle, because you can never time the top
or the bottom.
Even as smart as we are, I'm leaving my I'm not being egotistical, but top, bottom, whatever. You can never time the top. You can never time the bottom, but you can be smart and use risk management, money management, so you're not the ding dong that's at the casino at the ATM.
The altcoin casino.
I'm not used to that. I'm never in that position. I'm always in a winning position. So you trade around your main allocation. So you pick your blue chips, your main digital assets that you want to invest in. You pick those, and then you trade around it. But always have some skin in the game, because, again, we believe in digital assets. We know they're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
We see every member bank of the Fed. We see Office of Comptroller of U.S. Currency. We see all the big hedge funds. Everybody's in on it now. This isn't going anywhere. So that's what technical analysis. And so we use that. And then we don't want to get too much in detail, but you can look at things when prices go up, but momentum slows down. That's a warning sign to pay attention. And if price closes below certain moving averages that we use, we don't have to get into detail. That'll be a next episode. But then, to take some profits off the table. Put it in Tether, whatever, any kind of stable coin. Yeah. Put it in something that you feel is out, and then watch the US dollar as well. And then when the opportunity presents itself, you strike like a lion, like a boa constrictor, whatever. You put that money to work and you ride it up and down, and basically you're trading the market. You're in it, but you're not being the 100% in investor, whatever you want to call it.
You don't want to go
because
on one thing.
Especially in this digital asset industry, it's so volatile. I mean, what did it take? A month to get 50% crash?
It's an emerging asset class, so you're going to have high volatility.
Until it calms down, we're going to have volatility. So don't go get a second mortgage or max out your credit cards.
No.
Be smart and use it, but don't abuse it. And focus on the technicals and be smart with it. And it's definitely not going anywhere, and it's going to make a lot of money. But
the key things to take away from this are: A, the research. B, keep an eye on your positions, whatever the digital asset is you're holding.
Correct.
Watch it. Know what the highs are. Know what the lows are. Know when, hey, there's a good dip happening. Let me increase the position, or, make yourself a roadmap of when to take profits. Set targets and
develop rule. It's called, and again, I've been trading for 25 years. So rule-based system. make your rules. Don't react to your emotions. Follow your rules.
Right.
So if digital assets or whatever stock or whatever traditional asset is up, then you're told to do by your rules what to do and take profits. When it comes down a certain percentage, you're told to do by your system what to do. Rule-based trading, and that's simple. And that's why most of the hedge funds now are quantitative analysis. So basically a bunch of PhDs got together and said, hey, let's use our brains instead of our emotions, and they make a lot of money.
Damn algos.
Yeah.
Well, also
We can learn from them.
we can learn from them, but
I do learn from them.
to give a basic example, if you got into a position of whatever your asset or digital asset is at, let's just say $40, you're going to set targets. At $45, I'm going to take 5% down. At $50, I'm going to take another 5. If it hits 60, I'm going to take 10. Just to give you an idea of what we're talking about.
Correct.
Then if you get a correction down to, let's say, I don't know, $30.
You don't care. You're happy because you want to buy on sale.
But you've also
Who goes to
taken
the
some
mall
profit.
and wants to pay top dollar? We want sale
I
prices.
like buying stuff on sale.
Yeah, that's my point.
I don't like paying
That's
full
my
price
point.
for anything.
Thank you very much. I like to go to the mall and buy on sale, not fake sales. Oh, 70% off sale. No, we want to go to the mall and buy a real sale.
Yeah.
And that's what you can do if you're smart and use money management, risk management, and you trade around your main allocation. You're always in, so you give no Fs, trucks, whatever. If it
Zero
goes up,
trucks given.
cool, making money. If it goes down, cool, you buy on sale. And that's basically the principle of technical analysis. And we're going to get more involved later on with bear traps, bull traps, moving averages
All
that
kinds
we
of
watch,
traps.
all kinds of fun stuff. Yeah, technical stuff. We don't
Trap
have to get into
phone,
that.
stuff like that.
Anywho,
Anyways,
so that's what we do. We use technical that in other words, the Einstein knows how to pick the winners, and then my
We watch the
Einstein
winners
knows
day to
how
day.
to use money management and risk management and tell him to shut up when he wants to put too much in, or let's put some pedal to the metal when we want to make some money.
team effort, bro.
That's right.
Get it done.
You got it. And then we make money. And then not only we make money, but Crypto Capital Group and all our members make money as
We
well.
try and pass along the information.
Exactly.
The only problem with TA, with crypto, because it's a new market, is we don't have the history.
You got to be careful with the
that we
word
like.
TA because that can be
Technical analysis and charting
There,
I'm talking
yeah.
about, and looking
Not
at the
TNA,
candles.
TA.
No, not that type of
Right.
TNA. No, we don't have the history that we like to look at with traditional assets. We can go back 20, 30 years and look at it. Bitcoin, the flagship, yes, we have back to 2014-ish, but some of the
Right.
new projects might only be out 6 months or
and
a
that's
year, 2
and that's
years.
and again, it's a whole nother episode we'll do. But traditional assets, I've actually looked back to the Netherlands from mid 1600s. So what's that, like 4 freaking centuries?
Something
But
like that,
with Bitcoin, we can go back to 2011, 12ish
I'm
with
not
Ethereum.
exactly
But
sure.
some of these new projects, you can only go back. You can't go on a weekly
Yeah,
chart.
if they've
You
been
gotta
out
go,
for 6 months or a year,
you
yeah,
got to
you
go on
gotta
a shorter
speed it
term.
up.
So that's the whole. It's an art form.
It is
Knowing
definitely an art
which asset you're looking at and which chart to look at, and we'll get into it more later. So, but we want to share that with you. So again, what did we say? Follow all that crap. Follow us, chart us, stock
Take
us.
profits
I don't
on the
care.
way up because the elevator goes down a hell of a lot faster than the
Stairs up, elevator down.
There you go.
Get the meat
elevator
in the
comes
middle.
Down really,
Bang!
really.
That's
bang,
what you gotta
bang,
do.
Bang.
That's right. Like John Witherspoon says, bang, bang, bang.
Bang, bang, bang. The
Yeah.
elevator does go down way faster. than
Yeah,
crypto.
absolutely. And everybody freaks out, and that's what we like. We love to buy fear. We love to sell to FOMO, to greed.
Sure.
That's I hate to say it, but it's trading. We are hodlers in digital assets, but
Certain assets.
in technical analysis, it's buying fear and selling greed. And that's what technical analysis is, and why the big banks and big hedge funds and institutional money, they call it, are making money, and why the average Joe that's at home loses money because they
take it all.
they sell fear and they buy greed. Opposite of what we want to do. We want to reverse psychology, reverse it and flip it. Missy Elliott style. Flip it and reverse it. Yeah, Missy Elliott style. So, anyways, follow us, like us, stalk us. We don't care, whatever. Instagram, Facebook.
Stalk him.
Join CC. What's our website? Join CCG. Yeah, I forgot. I was just kidding around. Join CCG on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, the whole 9 yards. Follow us. We're here.
Yeah, we'll have
We're
all
cool.
that in the descriptions also.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes.
And JT is gonna wear more cool cowboy hats. I think that might even be his thing.
This is how I make money. I wear the cowboy hats, baby. Yeah.
All right, I think that's a wrap for this one.